of the correction of our homework. So we're going to do a correction of our homework. So now, as far as we're concerned, I'm going to share a question with you now. I'm going to share a question with you now, so that we can see on what we must be doing so far. Just give me 1 minute. I hope you can see the question now. The question is like this. They said that consider the following polynomial: 2x squared plus 3x minus 12. They said, what is the name of this polynomial? So in order for us to describe the name of the polynomial, we have to count how many do we have. So by the way, it means we're going to count from 1, then we say 2, then we say 3. It means this is a trinomial. This is a trinomial because it have got a 3 variables, trinomials. This is a trinomial. They say write down the coefficient of x squared. In order for us to check the coefficient of x squared, we go to x squared and take any number that is with x squared, which is nothing but what? 2. So by the way, if we were having, let's say 2, let's do example by another number, let's say 4x squared y, and they say coefficient of x squared, we're going to take 4y because it's the only thing that is near x squared. But here is 2. They say, what is the value of a constant term? A constant term is a number that doesn't have a variable or a letter, which is negative 12. Then we're going to have negative 12. Then they say, what is the value of the expression if x is equals to 2? So in other words, it means where they say x, we're going to put 2. Then we've got 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 into 2, then minus 12. Then after that, so when we substitute our 2 where they say x, we then press our calculator and see that we are going to get 2. So we're going to proceed to the next question as far as we're concerned. Because I can see other people didn't join. Myself, I was going to teach, even there's no one. because time do not wait for anybody in this world. So let's go to the next slide. So on the next slide, we are going to do the next question. Remember, this is a correction of what you guys did. Correction is a correction. So the next question. The next question is this one. I think it is more than visible. So now, there we go. The question says, the following are the first four diagrams in a pattern. We've got first four diagram on the pattern. The first one I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. I've got 4 bricks. So I've got 4. The second one we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8. The third one we've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12. If you can check here is 4, 8, 12, it means the next one it can be 16, but let's verify so that we can be sure. We've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 years. Got 16. It means the difference is 4 here. They say how many shaded blocks will there be in the 6th term and the 7th term? Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. In 5, when we add 4 is 20. When we add 4 is 24. When we add 4 is 28. It means we're going to have 24 and 28. Because from the previous term, from this previous term, which is T1, to the next term, we just add 4. Then from T2 to T3, we just add 4. From T3 to T4, we just add 4, then etc. But they asked us about the T6 and the T7. So they say write down the rule for the pattern. Ourselves, we know that our Tn, if we want to write using the formula that we know that our Tn is equals to A plus into N plus 1D. Then this is nothing but going to be equals to, or you can use the one that says A plus CD. It's up to us. But our A is the first term, which is 4, plus our N, we don't know it, plus 1. It says N minus 1, not N plus 1. Sorry for that. It says N minus 1. It says N minus 1 plus D, where our D is nothing but 4. So when we simplify, this is 4 plus 4N minus 4. And 4 and 4 cancel, we're left with 4N. So it means our formula is Tn equals to 4N. They say using the rule, how many blocks will be there in the 60? They give you N. Now our N is 60. So we want T60. So our T60 is nothing but going to be equals to 4 into where they say the N, we put 60. Then we press our calculator, we get 240. I think this was our first question as far as we're concerned. What we must do now is to move to the next question. I hope you do understand. I can see there's a one person joining now. Myself, I was going to teach even if there's no one who joined, because you guys you don't know the difference between time management and your studies. Is it difficult or we can proceed? Is it fine? Hello?
We may
So here is our next question. I think now it's more than visible. The question says, find the rule for calculating the output value for every given input value in the following diagram. This is something else now. They say that we have to find the rule. We have to find the rule. They say when you substitute 1 on that rule, you will get -3. And when you substitute 3, you will get -9. And when you substitute 5, you're going to get a -15. So what is this rule? How do we find that rule? What did you do?
the rule into the rule is like the same like when we say example 1 times 3 iripa 3 at
Yeah,
Junondari any times -3. For -3 and then there are 3 times -3 and for -9.
it means the rule is going to be y is equals to -3x. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Or we can just put -3x inside. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Then we can proceed. They say given the table, here we've got a table. They say describe the relationship between the number in the top row and the bottom row in the table above. A relationship from -2 to -5 is what?
To minus
To get our y,
to minus 2.
we're going to say x minus 3.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yes.
Okay, they say find the rule of n and m. Find the rule of n and m. There we go. N and what? And m. Ourself, it means since this is x, where they say x, we're going to put our 12. And where they say m, we're going to put that one. So it means now we've got m is equals to 12 minus 3. Is that so? Where our
Yes.
m is equals to, and our rule is y is equals to x minus 3. So where they say y, we put the one for y, which is m, and where they say x, we put the one for x, which is 12. Then our m is nothing but equals to 9. Then we go for n. 84 is equals to n minus 3. Therefore, our n is equals to 37. Is it difficult?
No.
You see that those things are simple and straightforward.
Yes.
Okay. And we proceed to the next two questions. Can we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. And here we go. Do you still remember what you did on this kind of equation?
Which achikono wana zvavhuti.
We can see the question.
Yes.
That's what you have written. It means you didn't write this question.
So like I can't see the into. I can't see physically into.
Question 7.
Achikono wana screen.
This question
Achikono
7.
wana into screen.
It's question
Is
7.
question 7 like?
Yeah, the one they say solve the following equation.
You happen to hapa like hapa into hapa kobona into yongara question. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wanna see.
How did you solve this equation?
Dori 3x and Dori x I transpose it to Dori transpose. So I said 3x plus x.
It's not plus, it's minus.
Oh, sorry.
Then we divide both sides by what?
By 2.
Then we get our x is equals to 2.
2.
Is that so?
Yes.
Then we proceed.
Yes.
Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question.
Okay. Next question will say 4 minus 2. Hello. Hello?
It says what? 5x, and now we're doing cross multiplication. This is like over 1, then you cross multiply here. Then this is 5x plus 2 because it's 5x plus 2 times 1 is 5x plus 2 is equals to 4 times 8, which is what? Or should I write 4 times 8? Then we've got
Yes.
5x plus 2 is nothing but equals to 32. Are we fine? Then we take
Yes.
2 to that side. We take 2 to that other side. Then we've got 5x equals to 32 minus 2. Then our 5x is equals to 30. Are we good?
Yes.
Then we divide both sides by 5. Then our x is equals to 6.
6.
Then we're done.
Yes.
So on this one, it means the first one is equals to 0, or the second one is equals to 0. Therefore, it means we've got x equals to minus 2 or x equals to 3. Are we still together?
Yeah. Yes.
Then we proceed to the next one.
Yes.
Okay, you understood, right? Do you understand what we are doing?
Yes.
Here is our last question. When are you writing this mess?
Kongwara metsenga
Hmm?
dzi 26. Kongwara metsenga dzi
Hmm.
26.
Okay. There we go. They say Grace is 5 years older than Charity. The sum of their ages is 33 years. How old is Grace? This is a mind question set. You want to see how you think. Well, how did you solve it?
Lauren Trattori Grace is 5 years older than then Yari there's some actually like no when I question Yari Grace is 5 years older than Charity. The sum of their ages is 33 years. And how old is Grace? So Ndari 5 years Ndari 5 years minus I don't know, I mean Ndari 33 minus 5.
Because you don't know the
Yeah.
years of Grace and Charity. You must let Charities. You must let Charities age be X.
Okay.
Then it means because Charity is 5 years older than Grace, it means Grace's age be what? Is going to be X plus
5
5.
years.
How
Yes.
good. But they say there are some, the age of Charity plus the age of Grace, they say is equals to 33. Then we solve for X. 2x is equals to 33 minus 5. Therefore, 2x is equals to what? 28. Then we divide by 2, divide by 2. Then we're going to get x is equals to 14. Therefore, Grace is what? Is 14 plus 5.
It's 14,
Which is equals to what? 19 years old. Did you see that?
okay. Yes,
Then we proceed.
yes.
They say the rule is finding the output of the table. It means here where they say x, when we plug 0, what do you get? Get 1. When you plug 2, what do you get? Get 2. When you plug 4, what do you get? Get 3. Is that so? Are you pressing your calculator? Hello?
Yeah, yes, I'm pressing the calculate.
Are you getting the same solution that I'm writing?
Yes.
Yeah, this is what we have. Is there any question?
There's no question.
For today, it means let's end here. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for thank you for the lesson.